trailer, replacement trailer I'm gonna get in a 14-foot model. The big thing about it is the I-beam frame should be a lot stronger. Well, the new generation is junk. It still looks like a nice trailer. 2013, I've had it 7 years. We're just doing this job here because my one dump truck's in the shop. As usual, something's in the shop. Frame broke pretty much. It's almost all the way through. It's got about another inch before it's clear through that support. And once it breaks there, there's nothing behind it. The trailer's broke in half. And it's like that on both sides. So I guess I'm gonna plate it up, weld it up, and get rid of it. It's too dangerous for me now. I have to go home and get my equipment trailer to get these two pieces of equipment out of here now. It's been a good trailer. Like I said, it still looks nice. 7 years. It was 2013. It's 2020 now. This trailer is gone. Well, we get to shovel the last load out of my dump trailer because it is garbage. Catastrophic failure of the frame. It's a great way to go into Friday evening.